Alright, so we're here playing Fortnite. Now, just plug into the controller and let's get it. Let's get it squads. Or you want to do duos or squads actually?
Duos.
Duos? Alright.
Yeah.
So let me ask you about Fortnite here. Is this like your favorite game to play?
It's one of them.
It's one of them. What's your like favorite?
What's my favorite game?
Yeah.
Roblox.
Roblox, alright. Yeah, I used to play Roblox, but then I got a virus on the computer, so, you know. I never downloaded it again because I think that was the cause of the virus. So,
Many people say
ready
that
up.
Roblox is a virus, but it doesn't do anything to my computer.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just certain types of computers or something. I don't know.
Maybe.
Yep. But we're going to play some Fortnite and see what happens. Maybe get a win. Maybe die instantly. Don't matter to me. Alright, guys. This will be my first video now. Don't judge me. Probably aren't going to judge me, though. That's good. It's all good, though. Alright, where are you thinking about going? You want to go Shifty?
Okay, Shifty.
Alright. See what happens at Shifty.
Let's see.
There might just be a lot of people going Shifty because it's like at first drop.
Don't think many people Shifty stay Shifty.
Yeah.
What's your falling skin? The skin that you get when you're falling.
The skin that I get when I'm falling.
Like the trail that you get. What's your trail?
The sci-fi.
Same.
Yep, nice.
Another assault rifle. But fun. Look.
Oh, Lord.
That's a new assault rifle.
I forgot about that.
Never seen a new assault rifle.
Oh, do you have it?
Yeah.
Let me see. You mean the new burst you got? Oh my god. Hold up, let me hold it a second. Oh my god, that sounds awesome. There you go. Here, I'm giving it back. Whoa.
Okay. There's two shotguns up here if you want one.
Is it attack?
Yep.
I already have that one. I'm gonna go in here and grab this.
Sniper.
There's some minis if you want it. What type of sniper? I have a hunting rifle, that's all I have.
Action. There's a tag down here, but it's gray.
I'll take a gray tack.
Okay. We'll leave the ammo for you.
Alright, thank you. We are already 4.5 minutes into this vid right here. This first vid. It's
I won't pop up here. Just to shaft.
what should I name the vid?
I don't know.
It's my first one.
I didn't because it was my first Fortnite.
First video on YouTube. Fortnite's my first vid.
There's this. The video that I did was
I
the
found
first one.
a blue AR.
Oh,
What's the name of your vid? I'll go watch it.
Fortnite, but you can't watch it because my YouTube channel is private and
Why?
my mom doesn't want to.
She don't want people to watch it? I mean, that's kind of how you get views, if you know what I mean.
I can also get money for the.
Yeah, you can also get money, but I don't like to say that people do YouTube just for like the money or whatever. I don't think it's all just because of money. Like most people do it because of money, but
YouTube's just also a fun thing to do.
yeah, I mean,
You get to play games and get money. You can. Yes, you get money, but you can also just play games and not have to worry about going to like an office job.
yeah, that's true. That's very true.
You just play games all day.
Yeah. I mean, you
Who
might.
doesn't like to do that?
I don't
Who
know.
doesn't like to do that?
I mean, you might not make like you might not have a whole ton of views in the first couple months, but it gets better. It gets better.
They're not going to be. We might be PewDiePie someday.
Maybe.
Well, no.
There's a. Do you have any mini shields?
No.
All right. Oh, this is one of my things right here.
Hey, look. There's inside.
Oh God, let's go.
Yeah. One second. There. Now people. Hey, dude, do you want to attack? There's a bear attack in here.
What is it? Yeah, I wanna.
It's down here. Down the stairs and behind the last stair. That's the house. Go down here. Switch back there.
Alright, I already grabbed the most important thing out of the other house, the chest.
Yeah.
There's a half shield up there, but I have minis. I have 6 minis, so we're good.
Yeah.
You're a little bit breathing into the mic, but.
How do you hear that? It doesn't say that I'm.
Just like push it away from your mouth a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, that's better. Not too loud, not too soft. Alright, we gotta get out of this valley. Cannot be in here much longer.
I'm done. Oh, you have stuff as well.
Oops. There's a half shield. I want you to take that and drink it real quick.
Yeah.
There's a chest up here in the circle. I'm gonna grab it. You check the bottom. Because I really want to get that new weapon. And if that has that new weapon up there, dudes.
Got him.
Help. Help, get him, get him, get him. He's trying to block me in. Just go for him, he's up top. Oh, smart. That's good, he's smart.
The bad thing is,
oh, we're already 10 minutes into the video. Alright.
the bad thing is, with no matter, it takes a long time to publish a video. This but it has not published even halfway. It's on 29%.
Oh, wow.
It's
Yeah.
a long time.
Alright, let's make this 5 minutes count, I guess. I mean, y'all guys should tell me what I should do on the next video. Play some more Fortnite or whatever. You know, I don't mind playing other games. I mean, I can download some games and play them. I mean, it's fine with me.
I'm gonna push my knife back.
You're gonna be right back?
I was going to push my mic back. So what you as that like you told me to do.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Let's make this minutes count. Let's go Fatal.
Fatal Field.
Yeah, just 'cause there's gonna be a lot of people there. 'Cause, you know, first drop, a lot of people. Sometimes. It didn't happen last time. But, you know, I gotta make the 4 minutes count, actually. 3 minutes count. And so this is how I'm gonna do it. I guess die in Fatal Fields. Either die or I'll have to make the video longer.
Yeah. Or just make a second video.
Or I could do that. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. Make a second video. Part 2.
Yeah.
Downed one. I gave him the L.
Hey default. Don't mind me default. I'm just gonna. Okay then. Default. Let's have the battle. Battle of the pickaxe.
You wanna come to me?
You have what? You found a weapon.
I'm coming to you. It's alright. I'll grab a.
Where are you? I saw you. Someone, of course, is doing a loot llama.
He's looting a llama?
Looting a loot llama.
Kill him.
I can't. I only have a attack and the llama's quite far away. Yeah, so I did that. I don't know. There's 2 people. It's multiple people here.
Alright, got the new weapon.
Gotcha.
Alright, I'm coming to y'all.
A tree. I'm not a tree. I am behind the tree. So no.
Where's the people at? I see him, I see him.
You got anything? Oh.
Alright. This is how I go. I was kinda doing that on purpose so I could leave. Looks like we're not making a part 2. Alright guys, I guess I will see y'all in the next video.